guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me. We are going to be putting in a pot roast and we are also going to be making some chocolate chip cookies for the kids for the week, and my husband and I may sneak one or two because as of today I am officially off my 21-day fix, which I think I'm going to continue basically following the same rules, just give myself a little treat here and there. So I already got up this morning and I made chocolate chip muffins and I made corn muffins, so we've got quite a mess back here from that. But I also need to get the pot roast in because my son has baseball tonight, a baseball clinic that he's doing, so we need to make sure we have our dinner done and ready to go. So I'm gonna start with that, and then we're gonna tackle all of these dishes, and then we're gonna make the cookies, and then I have to make my bed. I have to just do a little bit of cleanup around the house, just a little maintenance, no deep cleaning or anything like that. So I hope you guys love these videos. I love cook and clean with me videos because it just gets me motivated, gives me different recipe ideas and all of that good stuff. So if you guys like that kind of videos and organizing videos and motherhood videos, make sure you are subscribed and let's get cooking.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
All right, so I just got back home. I dropped each of the kids at a friend's house, and I have to leave in about 45 minutes to pick them up. But once I dropped them off, I ran to our local Star Market just to grab a few things that we needed, so I figured I would throw in a little grocery haul and show you what I picked up. So I grabbed these flat out wraps, and I grabbed some, let's see, Dietz and Watson ham. So I'm gonna make some wraps this week for lunch. We were all out of cheese, and I like to shred my own cheese, so I grabbed regular cheddar, and I grabbed this Colby Jack cheese. I grabbed some English muffins for the week. I'm gonna make breakfast sandwiches for my husband. We were almost out of eggs, and I buy eggs at BJ's usually, so I just grabbed one container just to hold us over until I get more from BJ's. I grabbed a few of these yogurts, the Oikos 000 yogurts for raspberry. I grabbed some of these croutons for our salads. I grabbed some flour, something else I'm going to buy at BJ's that I am almost out of, but just grabbed one to tide us over. Grabbed some bananas, and we were out of dipping honey mustard. And I got this honey mustard in the deli section to try on my wraps. So I'm super excited for that. It looks delicious. So I need to put these bags away. There's some stuff around the corner that need to be brought downstairs, and my floors feel sticky. So I'm going to vacuum, mop them, and then I still need to make my bed. It is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I still need to make my bed. So I'm gonna do that, and then that will wrap up this video. So let me get this finished before I have to leave and go pick up the kids. that my bedroom is now taken care of, my laundry is put away, and the kitchen is all cleaned up, the floors are washed, vacuumed, all of that good stuff, I am done. And that concludes this cook and clean with me. My pot roast smells amazing. I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute when I walk out to the kitchen, but it smells so good. and it just makes the whole house smell amazing, along with freshly cleaned floors is always a plus. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed. I would love to have you stick around and join our little online family over here on my channel. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!